To see the procedure of VI characteristics of solar cell. For this, we need solar cell characteristics board, a light source, a photo cell or solar cell, and we have a variable resistor here, load, one voltmeter, one ammeter. So this is the plug for artificial source, and connect the circuit as per circuit diagram. Here take the positive of voltmeter to positive of ammeter and negative of ammeter to load resistance, and load resistance to negative terminal of voltmeter. Right. Now this is the solar cell terminals. You have to connect the solar cell in parallel with a voltmeter. This is positive to positive and negative to negative. We have connected with voltmeter. So once you switch on this, you'll have yes, this is a digital voltmeter and digital ammeter. Now by changing the dimmer, you can increase the intensity of light source. At a moderate intensity, you can pick the intensity of instant radiation and keep the distance between the source and solar cell. Right? Now the intensity of instant radiation is fixed for solar cell, and the distance of the solar cell from the source is also fixed. By varying the load resistance, we have to note down the voltage and corresponding currents. See, by changing the load resistance, we can increase the voltage. As we are increasing the load, voltage is increasing and current is decreasing. Here we need to change the load resistance in such a way that the voltage should be changed in regular interval and the corresponding current to be noted. And these readings you have to take till the end of the load now. Yes, this is completed. Now we can have the voltage and current values. After that, the important parameters we are going to determine. One is open circuit voltage and short circuit current. For that, just remove the load and keep in the head. Just see, this load is disconnected and the terminals are open. When a circuit is open, so that it offers infinite resistance. So because of that reason, see, the current flowing in the circuit is 0, right? And the corresponding voltage is known as open circuit voltage. When you open the circuit, voltage is maximum, current is 0. You note down that voltage as open circuit voltage. Later we have to calculate the short circuit current. For that, connect wire to wires. Just you connect the two wires and short circuit. So during this short circuit, you will get maximum current and almost minimum voltage. Right? So please see that actually we have to get 0 voltage here because of the internal resistance of the wires you are not getting 0 voltage, you are getting some minimum voltage. Actually we have to normalize to 0 only, right? So in the previously we got 0 current, in the same way you should get 0 voltage also, but because of this circuitry internal resistance we are able to see some minimum voltage. Now during this short circuit, just you note down the maximum current. This is known as short circuit current, the maximum current in the circuit when it is short circuited. So after taking these values, then tabulate. So find out the power. Once you get the power, so go for graph.